Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm back at it again with a new video already. You know what it is, you know what it do. Yes, your girl Christina is back. So today I decided that I just wanted to put together a little sketch page, you know, because I just wanted to practice. I didn't really have an idea in mind for like a whole like piece. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna practice, go on Pinterest, find some pictures that I like, add it to my model reference board, and look at my boards and, you know, get inspiration and start drawing. So that's what I wanted to do in today's video, you guys. I know you guys love to see me draw traditionally, so I'm gonna try and do more of that on the channel, especially soon. I wanna, you know, color traditionally more too. So stay tuned for that. You guys will be seeing that. Just trying to, you know, get everything together because I've got a lot of plans and things that I want to do. But today I just want to sketch. You know, we're sketching it out, you guys. But I guess you could call this drawing because I'm kind of like making them to their best potential, I guess, but also not thinking about it too hard too. So I'm kind of like sketching and drawing in a way. Not really, but I don't know. But yeah, you guys, oh, sorry, I had to sneeze, but yeah, I just wanted to fill my sketchbook page up. At first I was just gonna do this drawing, but then I was like, you know what, why not do the whole page? So that's what we're gonna be doing. And this drawing right here is from this reference picture from my Pinterest board, if you guys are interested. And check out my Pinterest, you guys. You already know, if you've been following me for if you've been following me, you know that I love Pinterest, and I have so much inspiration from there. So you can check out my link down below so you guys can go follow my board and get inspired too, you know, create your own board. And yeah, it's a really awesome app. So this drawing right here, I actually didn't know I was going to do the flowers coming through her neck. Like her neck is kind of like broken in a way, but I wanted this to kind of symbolize that there's beauty in the struggle. Sometimes, like when we go through our struggles or we go through our ups and downs in life, you know, when we learn from it, or, you know, when we go through it, we come out with beautiful results, you know. And I feel like that's what is representative of what like I've gone through. You know, I've gone through things, but when I trusted in God, I always came out victorious, you know. And that's why I love God so much, because I can look back at everything that I've been through and I realize that, wow, I couldn't have done it without God. So that's what I like was thinking about when I drew these flowers coming through her neck that's kind of like cracked a little bit, that there's always beauty in things that may have been broken, or, you know, that things can be beautiful, like beautiful things can come from it, you know. So if you're in a rough spot or situation right now, just know that you're gonna get through it. Know that, you know, everything is possible with God. And if you don't know God, that's okay, because you can get to know him, you know. You can definitely just start praying and just start talking to him if you're interested in getting to know him, you know. As I'm not forcing anybody to believe in something that they're not wanting to believe in. But for me, this is just my advice, because God has helped me so much. Like, God is everything. God is my everything. So can't do it without the Lord, baby. Can't do it without the Lord. So yeah, that's my little symbolization of this picture right here. So yeah, I really like how it came out, even though it was just kind of like practice too. And I decided that picture would be best for like realism. So I was like, you know what, let me just practice kind of realistic type drawing for it. And then right here, I'm just drawing a little eye. I'll put up the picture that I was drawing from up there so you could see it. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but I love using or making like little hearts in my, for the highlight for the eyes now. I think it's just so cute and it's just so me. Like, I just love hearts and stars. A lot of people have been telling me, oh my gosh, everybody loves like the hearts and the stars and the moons. Like it's almost like they don't like that anymore, but I love it. I don't care like if anybody else doesn't love it. Like that's just me. I love hearts and stars and moons because it's just so happy to me. I just love everything that's positive. Like literally I changed my whole room to pink. It was purple, which was a calming color, but pink has really like a light pink, like pastel pinks. I don't know, it just makes me feel so happy, like little kawaii things, like cute things. I just love it so much. It makes me happy. And then sparkles. You see me adding the sparkles, like this is so me, you guys. And that's why I was like, what, I want to fill like the whole page up because I just didn't feel like the page was complete. So I was like, what, let me just fill the whole page up because I think you guys would like to see that. So yeah, you guys, if you couldn't tell, I actually drew something there before. The picture didn't really work out. So I was like, what, let me just wing it and kind of just do my own thing. So I was kind of looking at a different hairstyle with drawing with this face, and because I want to practice drawing hair more, I need to, practice drawing different hairstyles and stuff and, get that together or whatever. But yeah, so I had a lot of fun doing this page, you guys. I definitely want to do more of this. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see me just sketching and talking a little bit. And oh yeah, maybe you guys can give me topics or things to talk about in these videos, I guess. And yeah, that'll give me like more ideas on like what I could talk about, because I just kind of went into this kind of winging it. I didn't really know what I was going to talk about, but mostly when I go into these videos, I really hope to kind of spread some type of positivity, some type of love, some type of good vibes, because I feel like everybody needs that, especially in the world that we're living in today. We need to hear something good, something positive, something that can lift our spirits, And yeah, just know that you really can do anything that you set your mind to. For me, I think I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. No, I know that, and yeah, I've just been getting into the Bible more and just praying a lot more. So yeah, it's all a work in progress. I am not perfect, and I have so much to learn, and I'm just, asking and praying for wisdom every day, you guys. So yeah, I'm just working on myself. I've been trying to eat healthier, work out, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's definitely not easy, but I think the results and everything is definitely worth it because your girl is getting snatched or whatever. So yeah, you guys, but it's not just about the physical. It's also about like my mental and spiritual as well, because I feel like when we take care of our bodies and what we're eating and what we're putting into ourselves and the things that we listen to and just making sure like we're reading or listening to positive things, like then that's really going to reflect on who we are as people. So that's what I've been trying to practice too, just to become a better me, every day, but one little step at a time. Because there's no rush to greatness. That's what I like to say. So yeah, you guys. Oh, did I put up the picture for this reference? If not, well, I'll put it up. But yeah, I actually used her for my Black Girl Magic picture that I did. And oh my gosh, she's so pretty. So I really enjoyed drawing her for this picture right here. And I love the hairstyle. It's so cute. It gives me, what is it? Like the 70s? No, not the 70s, the 60s vibes, I guess. I don't know. I'm not good with the decades, you guys, when it comes to like the beauties and styles in the decades. But yeah, this page is just I didn't know what I was doing, but I really liked the whole little sparkle addition thing that I was like adding on. And then I wanted to fill the spaces with like something different, like butterflies. So I put butterflies on there, and I think it's just so cute. Like, oh my goodness, I love butterflies too, and I know that that's kind of been like a thing that's been in lately with the butterflies and stuff, but I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I've always loved butterflies, and it really did add a good addition to the page. And then I was like, being creative, and I added like these little sparkle things, kind of like when you see like a fairy in like a cartoon and like the little stream that it leaves. That's kind of the idea that I was going for right there. And I really like how that came out. I think it's really cute. Yeah. And oh my gosh, you guys, I actually filmed in the daytime. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I filmed in the daytime. So I'm so happy about that because the sunlight was popping. I love the lighting of the daytime way better than filming at night, because at night I have to use the artificial lights. So I really prefer using you know, filming in the daytime, which I really need to do more. So that's what I'm also trying to do and practice, you know, getting up earlier so I could do that. And, you know, have these videos looking popping for y'all, you know, so that lighting is right, okay? So yeah, you guys, I had so much fun doing this page, and I will continue to, well, the video will continue to go on. Oh, also, you can see that I'm using this little paper here so I can prevent the smudges because I actually forgot. So yeah, that's what I was doing right there. And then I added my little peace, love, and God bless. And yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, and then I didn't show that part, but I added like little hearts and the stars up there. I forgot to add the little moon part, but it's okay. Because I just thought that I needed to fill up that top part right there. So I added that in. And yeah, you guys, this is the final result. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Hope I wasn't talking too much. But yeah, you guys, I really hope that you all like the picture. And you guys can follow me on my Instagram, and I will post it there too. And yeah, you guys, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you all on my next video. Love you guys so much. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.